Hi everyone, I am Peace Effium and I will be speaking on maternal health. Maternal health is an important public health issue that has to do with life. Maternal health is the health of women during pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum period. It could also revolve around the health and wellness of women, particularly when they're pregnant, during birth and child raising. This healthcare helps in order to ensure a positive and fulfilling experience and to reduce morbidity and mortality rates. There are so many factors affecting maternal health, which are malaria, bleeding during pregnancy, hypertension, poverty, ignorance, low socioeconomic status, hemorrhage, HIV/AIDS, abortion and sepsis, obstructed labor, ectopic pregnancy, prolonged labor, anemia, and traditional beliefs. Some of these factors can be prevented and avoided. Those who have these issues will be treated on time if they register in the nearest health center or hospital around them. In a traditional birth home, complications do arise. With no doctor or trained health worker to assist, they end up losing their lives. I have a neighbor who went to a traditional birth home and had prolonged labor, but the midwife there poured Dettol antiseptic into a bowl of water and pumped it through her anus, as she believed it would quicken the contraction process for the baby to come out. Is that not too harsh for the mother and baby? The baby was born, though very weak, and she almost lost him. Meanwhile, if she had gone to the hospital, the health workers would have induced her and monitored properly for the baby's self-delivery. Another instance was a woman of 50 years old who during labor dilated up to 4 to 6 cm and her pelvic couldn't open more than that. At this point, the baby had descended, and from scan, the baby weighed 4.5 cm. The doctors pushed the baby in and moved her to the theater for cesarean section. She and the baby came out strong and fine. If it was a traditional birth home, would she have had the facilities for that? She and the baby wouldn't have survived it. So many things are happening around us. We should be on the lookout to encourage every pregnant woman to go to the health center or hospital. We all need each other for a better future so that mortality rates will be reduced. Thank you, listeners, for your time and effort. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates every Tuesday by 4 p.m.